How to post on Stocktwits. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Stocktwits and you want to learn how you can post on Stocktwits account, here is how you can easily do it. Launch open the Stocktwits app or website and sign into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click the plus sign at the bottom right corner, this blue one over here. And now you can share your idea or write down whatever you want to share. It can be a question, your opinion, a news, or updates. Just go ahead and write it down. I don't know what to write right now, so I'm just typing in some random things. Once you do that, once you are done with your message, if you want to add a stock name to tag it, just go ahead and type in a $ before a stock name. And once you do that, you'll be able to tag a stock. This helps your post reach people following that stock. You can also add photos or charts if you want by tapping on the image icon at the bottom. Get to your gallery or your camera and take a screenshot or take a picture or choose a screenshot from your gallery. If you want to add GIFs, you can also do that by tapping the GIF option. Select a GIF you want to add. You can choose the bullish or bearish option at the bottom left as well. This is an optional. You can mark your sentiment as bullish or bearish. And finally, if you want, you can also create price prediction by tapping the predict button. Enter the symbol name, target price, target date. And finally, after you are done, you can tap the post button at the top right corner. And right after you do that, you'll be able to make a post. Now your post is live. And that's it. Now you know how to post on Stocktwits. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy being part of the trading community. You'll be able to see your post in your profile section. So that's it. You've successfully done it. You can always pin your post, view its details, or if you want to delete the post, you can also do this from this menu. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.